In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share meeting agendas on Asana 2025 step by step. First, make sure you have access to Asana's workload feature. Workload requires a business or enterprise plan or that your workspace has portfolios enabled. Open Asana and check the left sidebar for portfolios. If you see it, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to upgrade or request access from your admin before continuing. Workload only functions inside a portfolio, so let's create one. Click Portfolios in the sidebar, then select New Portfolio. Give it a clear, descriptive name like Team Workload 2025, Editor's Capacity Tracking, or Client Projects Overview, and click Create. A good name helps everyone recognize what this portfolio is for at a glance. Next, add the projects you want to track. Open your new portfolio and click Add Work. Select the projects your team uses every day. Things like client work, video editing, marketing, creative, and admin. Choose the ones that actually drive day-to-day tasks so your workload picture is accurate. You can always add or remove projects later as your needs evolve. Now go to the workload view. Inside the portfolio, click the workload tab at the top. You'll see team members on the left, a timeline across the top, colored bars representing assigned tasks, and capacity indicators that show how much each person can handle. Set capacity for each team member next. Click Set Capacity and pick a measurement. Hours per week is the most common, while points per week is great for agile teams. Enter realistic values such as 30 hours for a video editor, 40 for an assistant, or 20 for a social media manager. Consider typical availability, including meetings and known time off, so the numbers reflect reality. Workload also needs to know how big each task is. Open a project, click Customize, then Add Field. Create a custom field named Hours or Effort and add it to the project. For each task, enter the estimated time or effort. For example, you might log 5 hours for editing a full video, 3 hours for creating 10 reels, and 2 hours for a client report. Consistent estimates across projects make workload far more reliable. Back in workload, color cues show where you stand. Red indicates someone is over capacity, green means they're within capacity, and gray shows under capacity. Use this view to spot who's overloaded, who has room, which weeks are heavy, and where to redistribute tasks. To fix imbalances, drag a taskbar to another teammate, adjust the hours to reflect reduced scope, shift due dates along the timeline, or split a large task into smaller subtasks with their own hours. In 2025, workload includes powerful filters and controls. Filter by person, project, custom field, or time period like week, month, or quarter. Show only certain roles, group by person or project, zoom the timeline in or out, and highlight overloads to focus your attention. Finally, if you need a report, click Export. Choose a CSV for spreadsheets, a PDF via the print view for clean sharing, or share a portfolio link for live visibility. This is perfect for clients and managers who need clarity without digging into every project. And that's it. Your workload setup is ready to keep your team balanced, predictable, and on track.